Good morning, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to do a video walk around of a new arrival. It's just come into stock. This one's a 2018 68 plate Ford Transit Custom 340 Trend. It's the L1H1. It has a lovely mobile workshop in the rear, which we'll take a look at shortly. So with this one being a 68 reg, it is the 2-litre engine. It's the 130 brake horsepower, 6-speed. It's also Euro 6 compliant, with it being a 68 plate. It's come to us, one previous owner, direct from a leasing company, full service history. The price will be in the video description. So we'll take a look at the workshop in a second, and then I'll head into the cab and show you what you get. So with this one being a mobile workshop, you can see you've got your LEDs on the front. You've got a Vantage system in this one, racking system, power sockets. And you also have lovely pull-out vise and some drawers in the back, with also shelving and racking here. So as you can see, pull-out vise down below. You also have another LED beacon on the back. It's a great works vehicle, this, ready to go straight to work. So what we'll do is, the weather isn't great, we'll take a quick look into the cab. As I say, it's just come into stock. All the photographs will be on the website, so we'll take a look what you get with this one. With it being a Trend, you get plenty in them. Obviously multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control. You also have your 6-speed heated screen and electric mirrors with this one as well. So obviously on the outside, front and rear parking sensors. It does have on the doors, which I haven't shown you, is the extra security locks here as well. So as I say, fully kitted out, lovely vehicle this one. I'm just jumping in because it is starting to rain, but as you can see, you have your USB socket here to hook up the phone chargers or whatever it may be. Plenty of cup holders, lovely 3-seater van inside. As I say, full service history. Go onto the website. Now, finance is available on this vehicle. If you do need any more information on it, feel free to get in touch. Speak to myself, Chris, or Nick. We'll be more than happy to help. So the website is www.carltonmotorco.co.uk. Over 100 vans in stock. Just another quick look at the back. Lovely vehicle, this one. As I say, if you need any more information, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.